Hey everybody, this is Sully with 5 freaking onion rings. And it is day number 4 of my art project. So the music you have in the background was written in about 6 or 7 minutes because I'm running late because I had to work late and you know, the world gets in the way. We're going over 5 things that every beginning quadcopter person should know is going to be a mistake because I have made these mistakes. And we're starting off with number 1. This is the X220. Wizard X220. It's been updated, it's been modified, it's been all over the place. But when you buy it, you might be like, ooh, I'm gonna take it out of the box and I'm gonna charge it up, and I'm gonna put the battery on, and I'm gonna set it down inside my house, and I'm going to just hover inside my house. And that's a mistake. That's a big mistake. Big mistake. Because this will go through your roof. Because like my ceiling is drywall, and this will leave big dents in your drywall. Trust me. Trust me. Don't ask how I know. All right, so mistake number 1. Do not fly a 5-inch inside. I wouldn't even fly a 2 or a 3-inch inside unless it has prop guards and only certain models. King Kong 100, 115, maybe, and I doubt it, but right now everyone's going on the number 7 or whatever it is, the 2S inside. That's about it. So number 1 mistake, beginning quadcopter owner mistake, I can fly this indoors. No, you can't. Don't even turn it on indoors. If you don't know, if you put a prop on backwards, this thing will spin out if you don't have anything above Betaflight 3.3. So when you buy a quad, you might not know which Betaflight you have on it, and you put a prop on and it will spin out and go to the moon about 60 feet in the air. And it happens in half a second. It's to the moon, just greatness. A lot of fun, but not if you're the one who has to pay for the damage. Don't do that. All right, number 2, when you get a quad. All right, a couple years ago, it was all about building, and you'd piece out your motors, and you piece out and piece out and piece out and piece out, because the pieces that you bought from Banggood or China or wherever you bought it from were shit. Complete, utter shit. They were. Just admit it. Admit it to yourself. Today, that is not the case. So right now, there are probably 12 bind and flies you could get today, $100 to $150 5-inch, and they will be amazing. Out of the box, fly like a dream. Amazing. Just watch some reviews and trust me, they'll be amazing. The Wizard was actually pretty good out of the box, and now they have the Wizard HV and the Wizard X, X220 HV and the X220S. There's a 6S version, there's a 5S, and there's the original 4S. And they're all actually pretty good, but anything you buy right now, the Batman, the King Kong, the LDARC, the Diatone, any of those, they're amazing, especially the 5-inch. So piecing out a 5-inch to buy, make or buy, you're going to get a good quadcopter, unless you get super crappy parts. So anyway, my advice for beginners who want to look into this, get a bind and fly. Just right off the top. So you just get your controller and go. Number 3, all right, so 2, bind and fly, don't worry about building. Don't stress too much over which one you get. Look at a couple reviews and go with it, and you'll enjoy it. 3, when you get it, this one still has props on it. When you plug this in for Betaflight, and you're going to update Betaflight and do whatever you're going to do, the hooba jooba, you know, new flash the magic wizard, whatever, you're going to flash on it. Watch a video on how to flash your, new Betaflight version. Make sure you watch the video. Take off the props. Now, there is a button on your transmitter that can arm these when they're on the bench if you don't have certain versions of Betaflight or Betaflight Configurator or Betaflight. So you can arm this when it's on the bench, and these will spin. And the last thing you want, ask Boney, the last thing you want is this taking off right beside you. Because these are sharp, and I can't stress this enough. These are very sharp. You have spinning blades. I caught one of these in the air, hit my thumb. I've got a video on it. Almost lost my thumb. I thought it was gone. I looking on the ground. Where's my thumb? Where's my thumb? Where's my thumb? Because I grabbed it out of the air. So beginning mistake, that's just a freebie. Don't grab these out of the air. Hand catch, bad catch. Don't do it. Unless you're Mr. Steel, and then more power to you. Or RC Addict, he's good. But don't hand catch as a beginner. That's pretty much just, it sounds self-intuitive, but look it up online. Don't hand catch. So anyway, back to it. Props, take them off when you put it on the bench. take them off. It takes a couple minutes and it's worth your fingers. And I say that because these things don't always break. So when it hits your finger, it's hitting with a lot of force. It's very sharp. It does not always break. If it does break, that's your luckiest thing, but it's going to take chunks of your flash out. And actually, if it breaks down to a little nubby piece and starts chopping into your finger, it's going to hurt. And I say that because even a 3-inch prop, once again, small motor, and you think, oh, what's small motor, and you think, oh, what's this little thing going to do? I don't know. What's it going to do? How much damage can this do? Let me tell you, a lot. These have a lot of power in them. Way more than you think. I mean, this one puts out like 500 grams of thrust for 460 or something. It's a 1407 motor running on 4S. If you have a 6S quad, just forget it. This will cut the crap out of you. I am not joking. All right, so that's actually 4. This is gonna be a short video. Heck, number 5, respect your size. So a 5-inch needs a field, especially if you're a beginner. And you've already been on simulators doing everything. But if you're a beginner and you're just going out FPV, get a field. And I mean like a soccer field with nobody around. And fly it, FPV. You'll enjoy it, you'll have a great time, you'll be scared out of your mind, it'll be great. Lots of fun. But make sure it's in a field, not a neighborhood. So respect your size constraints. And that goes with like, this is a 2.8-inch Leader 120. It can fly in my front yard. Not that big of a deal. A true 3-inch can fly in your front yard if you're good or getting good. You know, it's one of those, it's like that game, video game where just get good. But a 3-inch can fly in there. This thing does almost 85, 90 miles per hour, so it's very easy to get out of control. A 5-inch, I wouldn't put it anywhere near a person. Let's just put it that way. I wouldn't put it near a car, I wouldn't put it near a house or person or anything. So number 5, running out of hands here. Number 5, respect your boundaries. You have to know bigger quads, bigger fields. Got it? Cool. Hope you enjoyed the music. Hope you enjoyed my 4th episode here. Got 27 more coming daily. And I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hit that like and subscribe button. If you have something to share, drop it down below. I'll be glad to feature it in the future. And thanks for coming back. Y'all take care.